Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create radiance effect and CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and for example just add to the track and go to effect, select video effect, scroll down, select like effect, and here's radiance. You can download and add to the track, and you can change for posture and speed, and you can see the result. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please write in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.